Alright guys, well, sorry for the loud noise in the background. It's the lawnmower. But, so I was in the backyard to finish my job. And a freaking hawk back there. It swooped down and killed a bird, man. It's so cool. I'm back there watching it. It's back there battling to death, bro. It's so funny, anyways. Look at them. Freaking 2 cars parked there. Alright, that's all I had to do. But we're finishing up the job, though. Alright, right there in there is a big pine tree down there. It went right up under there. Let's go check it out. I'm moving this spot where a bird died there. I'm gonna climb down up under there with you guys and see. Fucking bug flew my eye. Oh, yeah, sorry if your kids watching. I'm sorry about the cuss words. I know that hawk lives too. My little buddy. I come out sometimes feed him little fish. He'll stoop down and sit there and let me feed him. Oh, this tree right here. The hawk came right down in here. Right up under there. I see no feathers. Right, you see? But the hawk slid right up under there and freaking got that bird. I seen it. He got back up and he flew in this tree. This tree's a big dead one right there, no leaf. A little leaf somewhere. That's where he lives at. He was right here stalking the little birds. Right there in that tree. Oh, that's just so cool. I seen it, and it just went down right up under there. Then it came out and seen me, it took off that way. Man, these is what I do, I kill little birds too. This is all I got.